Hey guys, we're making slime. Are you pouring the big bowl?
She said no.
And now the bowl. See. Now let's do baking it. Now let's put this in there.
Yep, the borax. Ooh.
The borax in the water. There we go. James, put this on the other side right there.
Welcome.
I'll make you more slime another day, James, okay? Now let's add the shaving cream. Shaving cream.
Boom. Now we're gonna add this next. I want to smell it. It smells good.
It doesn't.
Huh?
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, look at this.
Because we haven't put nothing else in there.
No.
Then what we got to put in there?
Nothing else. That's it. And it's slime. You just gotta give it a little while.
And then I just gotta wash my hands.
No, I have to because I'm doing it for you. Okay.
Okay. Just mix it up a little bit. I'll put this back, Jade.
No. Leave it there.
Kids on my birthday. That's my birthday.
Kids on his birthday.
Yep, but it's not my birthday. No,
It's my birthday on the 28th.
It's her birthday today. Dancing like shaking like crazy.
Look at my hands, you guys. Look
We
at
got some borax.
James.
Food coloring.
That's not food coloring. That's glitter glue. Classic. Classic.
Classic. And the slime. Guys, hurry up. I want to play with my slime. Thank
Time
you.
to wash my sticky hands. By the way, you guys, this glue is not washable. Not one single.
I'm going to have this. I'm going to put my slime